What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how to remove a photo background using a free application that normally comes with the Windows operating system. So the software is called, the application is called Paint. It's called Paint 3D. So just on this system search, that just type in Paint. Sorry about that. Paint 3D, and then just click on it to open, and then we are going to add a photo. So the photo that we're going to remove the background is this one here. So if I double click on it to open, I only want to remain with this tiger. I want to remove everything from the image to only remain with the tiger. So go back to Paint, and then at the bottom, the top left corner, click on the menu, and then choose Open. Then browse the location of that image. It is located. Mine is located in desktop. Go to the folder and then click on photo to highlight, and then click open. So this is the photo. So the first step is to click so the top left corner, there are these 4 tabs. One is for 3 actually: select, crop, and magic. So click on magic, and then resize that image to the, bring that, reduce that size like so, like that, and then on the right pane, click on next. So you realize that you have 2 items here. You have the add and remove. So you use add to include the part that you want to include in the image, and remove to remove whatever part that you want to get rid of. So let's start with add. You can see that, let me zoom in a little bit. So on this, on the head of this tiger, you can see that some part is excluded. So you only click on this, so you can toggle between the two. So make sure that the one that you're working on, or the one that is selected, make sure that is highlighted. So click on this part to include. Give it time. You can see that the moment you draw that part gets included. So let me trim a little bit like that. Let me add this. You can see that some part of this ear has been left out, so I'm going to add that part. Let me zoom out. You can actually work on it to make the image smooth, like that. So you work bit by bit, and just to make the image so let me remove a bit of this. I can see that there's some grasses included, like that. Let's add this bit here. and then if you look keenly, you can see that part of this tail has been left out, so we are going to add that bit. So add that, and then we can remove this part here, the grass bit of it. Let's remove the grass so that we can have like that, and then let's add, you can see some part he left out. Like that. So you normally work on it bit by bit until you make sure that the image is perfect. But for this tutorial, I'm going to just like that, and then let me zoom. So remove, let's work on this part here to remove the background grass, like so. So zoom out, and then you can see that some part of these legs need to be removed, like so. So you actually work on it slowly but slowly, and then until you make sure that you're satisfied that the image is perfect, like that. Then let me add a bit of these poles. I hope you get the idea. So you normally work on it slowly but slowly until the image is now perfect. So up to that point, I think I'm now we can move to the next step. Just click done. So this is the image. What follows next is to, let me zoom in a little bit, zoom out. So make sure that click on inside this image, and then drag it out. You remain in this background bit, select the background, and then click the delete button on the keyboard, and then get back to your image that we're working on. Click on it, and then drag it back inside that working space, like so. Like that, and then go to the top left corner and click menu, and then click on save as, choose image, the image is loaded. So the file type, let's choose PNG. So and then select this transparent. Make sure that this transparency checkbox is checked, like so. So finally, click save to save the image, and then navigate to the location, to the output folder. Go to I'm going to give it a different name. Like so. And then click save. So our image has been saved. If I close down this, I don't want to save that. Go to that location where you saved and open it. You can see that we have successfully removed the background of this photo. So this is the original photo. And then if we go to next, we can see that this now the output after we have removed the background. So if we open up Canva, let's go to the web browser and go to Canva. If I add different backgrounds of this, so let's try, and so you can see that the moment you remove that background, you can now work with it with any other background. Let's load the file. Let me upload the file, and then so the moment the image is loaded, so to add the image on this block, just click on that image and you can see that it is added. So if you want to add background, click on this background color and then choose any other. So you can see you can work on it. You can work with any other type of background depending on the project that we're working on. So that's it for this tutorial. That's how you can remove photo background using Paint. So see you in the next tutorial.